how to turn off or disallow Brave notification. Hello guys, in this video many people ask me to do it, so I do it because I don't know, it's sometimes it's annoying to uh, receive everyday notifications from Brave. Sometimes it's like random notification that we usually don't know this kind of notifications. So in this video, I will tell you how to disallow your notifications on Brave and solve this problem. So first you need to open your uh, Brave application. As you see, this is the home page. So right now come to these 3 points. So here on these 3 points, as you know, you should open your settings. Or your settings, you have to scroll down until you found notifications. Click on it like this. So right now you want to disallow notification, just click disallow like this. So that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another video.